Hello, my friend. Baxter Cribbs here with you at baxtercribbs.com, and welcome today. Today we want to talk about optimizing your channel art to reach greater heights on YouTube, and we're showing you just one small secret to keep viewers on your channel. Now, YouTube is like other platforms. They like viewers to stay on YouTube. And one way to do that is to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And then that way you'll have always videos to watch over here while you're here. And that will help me to be well done, well done. How about that? That'll help me to be more favorable in the eyes of YouTube. Another way is to stop showing viewers icons of Facebook, Instagrams, and other platforms like this. As you see there, got the little blue arrow pointing to over here to those things on the side. What this does, this gives them the opportunity to then fly away and to go and to get face to face with other people instantly. And we don't want to do that because that makes YouTube very unhappy. So it's not a good thing in the eyes of YouTube because, see, your watch time goes down and your session time goes down, and that's not a good thing. So this is what we want to do instead. We want to flip over here. As you want to look at this right here. As you see here, I have a little blue thing, arrow pointing down. And instead of putting your Facebook over here and your Instagram over here, you want to put other video links over here that keep them going to your page instead of somewhere else off of YouTube, because this is what YouTube likes for you to do. So now let me show you how. We want to go over into a work frame here. Let me get to the right one. There we are. And so here we are on my page. And if you remember in the last video, we talked about changing up the header to make your art more have more clarification to it, so people, when they come, they recognize exactly what you do. And then in that, you're also able to have a link on your header right over here to the side. If you see right here, instead of having the videos over there, instead of having the Facebook and Instagram and Twitter links over here, what I have over here now is other videos that are down here below. Because, see, the other people are not going to see these things always when they're watching the video like they're going to be watching now. And so right here, they can indeed click on these here to be able to get there. Now, how did I get that there? Well, as we showed you last week, one of the ways that we can do this is if you want to change out your picture, you click on your picture. Okay, when you do that, you come down to the bottom of this here and it'll say how to create channel art. And what that will lead you to then will be this page right here, and that will tell you this is a written form of how to create channel art. And when you scroll down and read through all that and do all those things that they suggest you do, then right down here at the bottom it tells you add social media links to banner. See, so this is, if you want to do this, they're saying you can do that because a lot of people want to show you how, and they want to lead them to that page or other pages to look at their content. But if you want to stay more favorable in the eyes of YouTube, you want to change it in the way I'm fixing to show you, because it goes through this and it tells you about, I'm not going to read that for you. I believe you're able to read that. So basically what's going to happen here is when you come out, it's going to tell you, go to your About page right here. And it's what you can do when you click on your About page. It's then going to take you and you're going to see it says Customize Channel. And so this is where you would be at then at this point. And so now I've already got some things up there, and you're allowed to put 5 links up there. They give you 5 opportunities. Now, of course, right here you can't. So now we click on Customize Channel. And so it will then open up, supposedly it will. There we go. Sometimes it's a little slower than we like, okay? Here it gives you opportunity. You could put a featured content right here. If you got a playlist or something you want to put up there, you can do that. That's for another time, but you can do that as well. But then right down here, see, we've already got our links up here. So what are we going to do here now? The links are there, and there's no place here to do this. So what we can do is come right up here in that corner, and you're going to click on it says edit links. Okay, and there's another way to get to this as well, but right now this is what's going to happen there, and it's going to open this up right here. And so what we can do now is that we can now edit these links, or I believe that we can. There we go. It finally caught up with us. So it opened up the links, and we can now add. So I left, it says that I can do 5. So I did 2. Now I want to show you here what we can do. It says add another link. So it gives us a thing, and it wants you to put a title right here and then a URL. So what I did, here's what I done, is I went back over here, and let's say if I wanted to put this one up here or this, it doesn't matter which one you get. So when you click on it, it's going to open up, and of course to your page and look at it. And then we're going to stop the video here so we don't have all this noise going on, and we come right down here to the bottom as soon as it catches up. And Baxter Cribs here with you from Baxter Cribs. There we go. We're stopping that. We're going to come down. If YouTube will hurry up, there we go. And we're going to hit the share button so I can get us a link here. And I'm going to copy that link right there. Then I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to paste that link right in here is what I'm going to do. So it gives me a different link. And now I got to remember what that was. And so what I have 3 ways to get subscribers is what that is. And I might have already had that one up there, but let's go back and look. And I did already had that. Now 3 ways to create thumbnails. So this is 3 ways to get subscribers. Can I do this? I can, yes. Okay, and so you can go ahead and do other 2. I just want to show you the one, and you can go ahead and do this, but when you get done, then that's what you do. You click on done, and done puts it up here. So now you have 3 links up here, and we go up to the top, and you can see right here with videos done, there's 1. Here's another link right there, 3 ways to create thumbnails. And then here's the third one, 3 ways to get subscribers. And you can go ahead and put 2 more up there so that people have choices to go to. And what that does is takes them right to those videos when they click on that. And that keeps them on your page and allows you to have more session time and more viewer time, which is more important to YouTube to run you higher in their ratings, so that they then begin to start to give you suggested views because you're doing what they like. And that's how you climb the ladder in YouTube in one simple little tweak. Okay, so now we come back over here to my page here. So we showed you how to do that. Now, so there you have it. One small tweak to keep viewers on your page, because that's what we want. We want to make YouTube happy, just like all the other platforms. You want to keep them happy. When you play in their backyard, you want to keep them happy so they don't kick you out. So, as I said, one way to do that is to subscribe to YouTube while you're right here. Subscribe to my page, and also whenever you create your page, put these things up there so that people will do this for you as well, and it will also help to increase your ratings. And you might also want to watch these videos that's going to appear here at the end of this video here in just a moment, as these are called end videos, so that you can then click on those and go and watch other videos to keep you on my page a little longer. I appreciate you, my friend, and we will see you in the next video.